Hey man, what's up? Freelancing video editing? Yeah, very doable. You can pick it up. But hey, listen, there are a couple of things that I want you to not do, okay? The first thing is that you can't be. Yeah, I got your brief. No, I'm the perfect guy for this. I've done this a million times. Huh? Wait, don't you worry. Storyboarding. No. I will get you the perfect output, man. Don't you worry. हो जाएगा. Art style. No. I'll select. एकदम perfect. No worries. क्या करेगा रफ कट का? No, not necessary. I will give you the perfect output. Don't you worry. Best output. Music, yeah. Music is done. I'll do it. Don't worry. 5 days, yeah? No. 2 days. I will get everything done in 2 days and I'll give you the best output. Don't you worry. Overconfident. See, it's okay if you're good at it, right? But you don't have to be cocky about it. The thing is, people will move away from you if they feel that you're being too confident and don't deliver exactly as you say, right? So that's one thing. The second one is that, hey, hi. Just one quick question. The tool that you were mentioning, what was that called? Premiere Cut Pro, huh? Premiere Pro. Okay. Yeah, I know Premiere Pro. No problem. Yeah, okay. And color correction, I'll do it in Photoshop only. Oh. Okay. No problem. I'll do it in Premiere. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. I will give you best output. Yes. What do you think about Windows Movie? You need to know the industry standard software, or at least be competent in what you're trying to do. Well, okay, I don't want to be like one of those YouTubers, but I have a course that I've designed on Premiere Pro. So if you want to do video editing and you'd want to learn Premiere Pro, go check out that course for me. Anyway, even if you understand the tools and then you know you're not too cocky, you'll have to make sure that you stick to deadline. Yeah, sir, I understand that you have your event this week, but my system malfunctioned, sir. Actually, I spilled some water on my mouse and yeah. No. Last week. No, sir. That time to Bangalore only did not have water. No. I'll do this, sir. By 1 week only. Yeah, 1 week. 1 week I will finish it. Finish the entire project. Yes, sir. No. Yeah. Oh, just one thing. Your video duration is 5 minutes, no? Can we make it 1 minute timelines? Well, the thing is that clients get more clients and you have to be reliable. And there is no more chance of losing reliability than it is with timelines. So make sure whenever you're picking up a project, you are appropriating timelines for it. And then of course you have to be creative as well. Yeah, creative. Yeah. I'll be creative. No problem. There is a white transition. I will apply that between the two shots. Okay. No. White. No. It's not very. There is Bandos also. Bandos is very common in PowerPoint presentations. No. We can use that. Inset. We'll try inset no once. Yeah, very new transition. We've never seen this before. What do you mean by being creative? Creative is basically not being a one-trick pony. You need to understand multiple things together. Even if you don't, take a lot of references in when you are going to talk to a client. show them those references and see if that works for them. And if it does, then take it in your project. Okay, the last thing. No, that is on track. I will have it as you said. So the video that you sent me of your CEO talking, that was a WhatsApp video. So what I did is I replaced it with a stock footage from the internet. Okay, and the other thing is the logo that you had. So that pink color, no, in the logo, yeah, the in the leaf, yeah. No, that wasn't going very well with the background. So what I did is I replaced that with a wood brown color, right? So it will. No, but you only said creative freedom. Okay, I'll share it with you. Yeah. Please have a look. Yeah. No. 10 minutes. 3 minutes only footage you sent. Oh, email is it? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. No.
Oh no!
I will work on this and I will share it with you. Okay, communication. See, the major thing is that you need to be communicative to your client, whether the project is going right or if it's going wrong, if you're stuck, if you'll be able to do something better. Make sure that you keep on telling your client everything that you're doing and understand what they need as well. If you can crack that, I think you'll be a great freelancer later. Well, okay, I think I will do this with you. I will share a couple of contacts and then you can figure that out from here. Also, check out my channel because I have a lot more content about how to start freelancing as a video editor. What are the other things that you might need to get started? So why don't you do that? Subscribe the channel and like the video that I'm going to be creating on this one so that I can create more, right? Alright, ciao. Let me know. Bye-bye.